This is so cute! Kahawig siya nung sobrang sikat ngayon and medyo mahal. Ito yung ginamit ko nung birthday shoot ko nung 2020 and I still have it. One winner will win 5 pairs of earrings. Hey guys, it's me again, Tristine, and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to do an earrings haul featuring Malanne, one of my favorite brands when it comes to fashionable earrings. And when I say fashionable, I mean fashionable. Like this one, I've had these earrings for 2 or 3 years now. So, very sure ako of that because ito yung ginamit ko nung birthday shoot ko nung 2020 and I still have it. Birthday ko a week ago. It was my 32nd birthday. So, I'm going to give away 5 pairs of earrings from Malanne and of course, your own choice. And ira-run ko rin to sa Instagram para dalawa yung entries nyo. Meron sa YouTube and meron din sa Instagram. Flex ko lang din yung aking fake nails. Ayan. I'm gonna put the link down below. This is very mura lang. If hindi ako nagkakamali, parang 38 pesos lang to. And, kakakuha ko lang nitong top ko from the Vito. This one naman is below 200 pesos lang. Sa Shopee din to. I'm gonna link it down below. It's an asymmetrical or a Venus top. Hindi siya halatang 200 pesos lang and very flexible siya. So, pwede siyang pang athleisure, pwede siyang I think magagamit ko rin to pang swim. Maglalagay na lang ako ng undergarments. And then, yan. Pwede din siya pang casual look. So, I'm going to show you guys 15 pairs of earrings in this haul. I got these sa pop-up store ni Malanne sa SM Clark. Yung sa gitna yan, malapit sa Starbucks. They actually have that pop-up store, I think, hanggang July. So, habol kayo if ayaw nyo nang magpa-ship and all. Pero if you are an online shopper talaga, meron din naman sa Instagram and Facebook. Pwede kayo mag-order doon.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle.
So, let's start with the white ones kasi itong mga to rin yung favorite ko. The first one that I'm going to show you is, I think ito yung pinaka-interesado kayo kasi kahawig siya nung sobrang sikat ngayon and medyo mahal na VCA. This one is only 250 pesos. Next is this white and gold hoop earrings. Meron ding black, but I chose the white one because of Heart Evangelista. Parang ang gaganda ng mga white outfit niya and white accessories. Not really white, but it's clear. And then may pearl siya. So, pwede siya if you want to go a bit formal. Rose gold. Dun sa mga mahilig mag-hoops na earrings. Ayan, this one is not so big. Meron din tong green, orange, blue. This one naman, if you want to add a pop of color, it's also a hoop earrings. Like, you could go for white lang or gray or black na outfit. And then this is your pop of color. Ito parang coral siya. Again, hoop din siya. And I love it kasi parang yung gem siya na rose quartz. Meron kayong mga rings na gems or crystals yan. Babagay ito doon. Isa lang yung kinuha kong purple. But marami silang purple na designs. Yan. Para sa mga army, alam ko you love purple. Para siyang bouquet of flowers. Semi-hoops lang siya. It's so pretty. Now, let's go to the green one. Starting with the smallest. This is a butterfly na earrings. I like it kasi nanood ako nung Nevertheless. And since then, nagustuhan ko na yung mga butterfly. It's so simple yet so elegant. This is so cute. Feeling ko bagay to sa mga neutral na outfit. And then again, pop of color. Bagay to yung pag naka-clamp ka, which is yung mga uso ngayon na 90s look. Next sa green is this. Yung kahit hindi ka na masyadong mag-effort sa makeup mo and all that, or kahit simple lang yung outfit mo, and then this will make up for it. Moon, sun, and then dito sa loob ng moon, meron din siyang star. If you have multiple na piercings, I think babagay din to. And dun sa mga mahilig sa hindi match yung left or right nila na earrings. This one is also so elegant. It's like a flower na para ding starfish in a way. By the way guys, this one pwede rin siyang isuot without this bling. So, yan. If you feel like stud lang yung susuot mo, then you could wear it on its own. And then if you feel like being a little extra, then you can add this one. I'm seeing a lot of mga phone cases and bags, yan, na maraming chains. So, if you wanna go matchy-matchy, marami rin tong iba pang available colors, but I love this baby blue. Sobrang mild niya lang sa mata. Ang cool niya lang sa mata. Ito naman, blue and gold siya. And parang, in a way, infinity yung ano niya, itsura. This one is also flexible or versatile. Pwede siya sa casual, pwede din siya sa formal. The last one is this. It's yellow and black, but meron pa itong ibang color combination. And I think bagay ito sa outfit ko and bagay din sa nails ko. And that's it for today's earrings haul. Now let's move on to the mechanics of the giveaway. Again, I'm going to run this sa Instagram and sa YouTube. Sa Instagram, there will be a separate mechanics. You just have to wait for my Instagram post about this giveaway. For YouTube naman, of course, you have to make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Like this video, comment anything down below, follow Malanne on Instagram and like their Facebook page. Follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. You are free to choose any design that you want. One winner will win 5 pairs of earrings from Malanne. Let me know in the comments kung ano pala yung favorite nyo among the 15 na pinakita ko. Yan. That's something that you could include in your comments. Thank you guys for all your birthday greetings pala. Hindi ko na kayo na-replyan isa-isa, but grabe, binasa ko lahat ng messages nyo, comments, story replies. Thank you all so much. Till my next one. Bye!